So what are the major components of an EPMO? That's what we'll talk about here now. First is project governance and controls. You need to make sure that you've defined sort of that playbook, that high level parameter and guardrail for how the project is going to run, how the overall program is going to run. So having governance and controls in place is very important. This includes things like how decisions will be made, what threshold of decision can be made at the lower level of the project team versus the project manager versus the project sponsor versus the whole executive steering committee versus maybe the CEO. There's different layers of governance and controls that need to be in place, and we need to be clear early on what that is so that we don't get hung up with spinning our wheels trying to figure out how to make decisions. In addition to program governance and controls, we need to have an integrated program plan. Your software vendor or vendors might provide you with a project plan for their individual work stream, but we've got to tie together all these other project plans into a complete program to include things like our change strategy and plan, our architecture decommissioning strategy and plan, our integration plan, data migration plan,